Alright, quick addendum, folks, to the first video I did on the brake light switch. If you remember, the brake light switch for the Morris Minor is a hydraulic switch which is situated just here. Just down here. You can just about see. Can you see? That's right, just there. You can see the two heads, parent screw heads. They're the terminals. So if you remember, I took those wires off to those two terminals and connected them together. So now I've bypassed the brake switch. The brake switch, I don't know if the brake switch works. Brake switch is hydraulically driven like a ball bearing, which actually, as you press the brakes, the pressure of the fluid pushes the little ball up against those contacts and the brake lights work. So here we have the bulb. Now this bulb is, as I said before, this allows you to acts as a brake light. It's two filaments and also a tail light. You'll find you want the brake light to be on the thinner filament because it's the thin filament is a high resistance. Then it generates more heat. The electric generates more heat, and so you'll get a much brighter glow from the brake light than you do for the much thicker filament, which is a low resistance, uses less heat and so a dimmer light. So that's how it works. So what I've done as well, I used a Jubilee clip before. So because these wings are, remember, a fiberglass, I had to create an earth. There was a black wire hanging down. I found the black wire goes to an earth in the boot here, and all I did was using a few cable ties to hold a bit of the bird wire against the body of the bulb holder, which gives a good common earth for the two filaments. So on saying that, I found since I've shorted out now the brake switch, then when I put the ignition on, the brake filament should come on. Now the brake filament should be the thinner filament there, and it should be brighter. So if I put the ignition on, we'll see what happens. There we have ignition on. I'll be here, and you can see, just about see the glow, a really bright glow. So as it should be happening, the thinner filament is lighting up. So we got it right. So the fatter filament, if you think, is the running light. So I'll take that off. Don't leave your ignition on too long, otherwise there's a danger you can burn out your coil. So all right, that was just an addendum to doing the brake lights on the Morris Minor, at least finding the wiring. But about to do the other one now. Well, that's it for now. Thanks a lot.